Welcome to Ditzy's Diamond Den. Today we are going to be unboxing Aries by Eclair Studios. This is a square diamond painting and it is a 22 by 22. So this is a 55.8 by 55.8. This is actually the very first diamond art club that I've ever bought that I plan on doing and gifting to somebody who is an Aries. And I was really excited that I knew an Aries to give it to because she is gorgeous. I especially like her horns. So we've got our box, of course, with our instructions and our discount code. And inside here, we have our little sticker. And our toolkit, which is to me as exciting as getting the diamond painting itself. Let's see what is inside this toolkit. Okay, and we got Ziplocs, pen, finger protector. We've got our tweezers because it is a square, our 4 and our 7, our stopper for our bow. We've got the red rose. There's the red rose. We got our wax. Let's see about this washi tape. Oh, this one's pretty, guys. It is a dark blue with some purple flowers in it. This is gorgeous. All right, let's get to the fun part. Let's get her open and take a look. I'm really excited about the horns that she has on her head. So it's got a little creases on it. That is okay because any of these creases, these are just going to come right out. So let's give her a roll backwards. Oh, my friend is going to love this. There she is, guys. Look at those horns. Oh my goodness. She's got a little flower in her hair. These are feathers over here. This background, oh, this is going to look amazing with those lines going through. That is a nice touch. Her face is gorgeous. I'm going to zoom in on her face here a little bit. Look at that. How pretty is she? She's got the gorgeous hair. More feathers down here, some blues and some pinks. A V. More feathers over here. Lots of feathers. Beautiful, beautiful background. This is one of the prettier backgrounds that I've seen. She's got some feather ruffles in here. Oh, amazing. So it looks like she comes with a special drill. She has an L445. I cannot remember what the L stands for, but we will find it and we will figure it out. And she has four ABs. So this is a smaller size one. We've got 4 ABs and a special drill. So if you are new to diamond painting, an AB is an Aurora Borealis. They are a special drill that come with a coating on top that has like a rainbow reflection. Everywhere you place those ABs, it is going to light up all of the drills next to it. And I'm not sure what this L is. Diamond Art has a couple of special kinds of drills. They have fairy dust, which have like some glitter on them. They have metallic ones. They have glow in the dark. So the Z is the fairy dust. I'm not sure what the L is. So I'm going to go through these colors. Oh yeah. And we also, of course, have our sticker with our start and our end date. All of these are stickers. You can take these off and put them on your containers that carry your drills. I'm going to go through these really fast, but I will stop at the special drills so we can take a really good look. And we are going to start by weight. We have a 402, 311, 550, 3823, 939 times 2, 301, 3041, 3856, 310. Only one bag of 310, that always makes me happy. 792, 3607, 336, two bags of 336. 333, that is an amazing purple. 3608, 355, 3834, 3685, and a 154. We have a 754, a 797, 807, 3746, 803. Here's our first special drill. That is pink. That is an AB, and you can see the glitter. There we go. Look at that. Pretty. All right, let's keep moving on. 799, 315, 796, 758, 3814, 718. Got a straggler. 951, 316, 3727. Next AB, 129 in a yellow. We have 3835, 3042, 208, 3837. 3776, 141. That is another AB, a white, which is one of my favorite ABs. These are gorgeous. All right, on to the next, and those are, I don't think these are the metallic. I'm gonna have to look it up. I cannot remember exactly what these drills are. I think they're the iridescents is what these are, because the metallics are usually much sharper, and these kind of have a clear see-through look, which I believe is the iridescents. This is my first iridescence. All right, we have two bags of the iridescents. We have an 823, two bags of those, 3740, 356. One more small train. 3778, 156, 158, 3328, 918, 3766, 743, 3726, 993, 915. Next AB, it is a turquoise light blue and a 120. Not a lot of those, but they are pretty. You can probably also really see the glitter and glow when the bag's not completely stuffed. 3716, 350, 347, 842, 996, 3830, 741, 966, and 783. I don't know how auctioneers do that, because reading off those drills makes me a little out of breath. So let's see where these special drills go. So we had the blue, the light blue, which is 120, and that is going to be our number 1 drill. And I see some out here along the borders, right through here. So we've got some right there. I don't think that's very clear. Right through there, right through there. Got some down here. Got a little bit over here in the leaf. Some right there. Some more on the edges. So it looks like we have some ABs on the bottom left edge in the border, and some right through here in the bottom middle, and a little bit right down here. So for the number 2, which is a pink AB, we have that over here in these pink shadows. We have a little bit over here in this flower. We have some in our feathers. Yep, we have some. So the pink ABs are all in the feathers and the flowers, and a little bit in through here. I am not seeing any of the ABs, so you'll notice all of this is pink. I'm not seeing any of the ABs in this, but I am seeing a little bit of ABs over here onto the side. The next one is the number 3, which is yellow. So on those, I am seeing some over here on her arm. I'm seeing some through here on her arm and back over here. This border is not, it is yellow, but that is not the ABs. And she's got some over here in her horns and in her hair. So the 3s are sprinkled a little bit all over. There is a nice chunk of them in her horns though. So that is something to look forward to. So for the 141, that is the white. And pretty much all the white that you see on this is going to be an AB, all of the white. So that is sparkled throughout. So the very last one, the L445, which I believe was the iridescent, is this outside border here. So all of this is going to be that iridescent. I believe it was iridescent. It might be metallic, but I'm pretty sure it was iridescent. So all around the outside of the border is going to be all of this yellow. And that's it. That's where everything goes. So if you would like to see more unboxings of the Diamond Art Club, if you would like to see more of me kitting these up and the post reviews, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a good day. Bye.